Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. At this moment you can see nails that are staying on about 1 month. So we get no liftings and breaking. And now I just want to show you guys how we can apply easily and quickly these gel nails step by step. In this video you will see in all details how to do nails with different shapes, with rounded shape, something like stiletto nails, but not so long like stiletto. Maybe it's similar the almond. And I have already removed gel using carbide drill bit barrel, and now after pushing and rolling the cuticles I'm using diamond drill bit flame. With forward I'm removing pterygia, I mean that layer of skin from the nail plate from the left side, and with the reverse I'm working from the right side. The drill bit should be placed on the nail plate horizontally. Don't scratch the nail plate with this drill bit. Don't use it vertically. You should lie this drill bit on the nail plate accurately, and don't work with high speed. After removing the old gel and the design, I'm working with the file and I'm applying the fine shaping. So it's necessary for fine preparing the nail plate, for placing the product on the nail. So this way the product will be placed perfectly and we will not have white effect of gel layer. So after preparing nails I'm using the prime. This is gel primer. The gel primer perfectly sticks the nail plate with the thin layer of gel that you see me applying at this moment. I'm using flat brush. This is the old one. So in the past I was using this brush for one stroke technique, and after it was spoiled I started using it for applying thin layer. So I just want to show you guys that you shouldn't buy a lot of brushes. All you need are flat brush for gel sculpting, like you see it on the video. I was looking for this brush in different shops, but I have never found the same, and it's not easy to find this. It's available now in my shop. The price is under the video. We got the fixed price for each product. You can find the same brush. So I'm working with this one about 5 or 6 years. It's a miracle, yeah. It doesn't spoil. It doesn't spoil it at all. it works perfectly. And as you can see, we covered nails with Color Pink Sculpting Mix Gel. We cure it in an UV lamp about 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, not more. And after removing the tacky layer, after removing that, I was working with the file, and I shaped nails from each size. I have rounded them, and now I'm working with drill bits for removing the gel under cuticles. And now I just mix Arctic Snow gel paint with different colors, and you can see that we need only 2 layers of this gel paint to create the pure color. But be careful, guys, this gel paint is it has a lot of pigment, so we should apply very thin layers. In the opposite way, you will force with problem, it will be spoiling in an UV lamp because it has too much pigment. We need only thin layers, 2 or 3 layers, not more. Okay, and as you can see now, I'm trying to draw one stroke lily flower. So this is the simple one. So we can apply it very quickly, and I mixed 2 colors, dark blue color with magenta color. These colors are available in the set of acrylic paint in my shop. It's about $7 for the full set of 8 colors. You can mix them the way you like. Okay, guys, and you can overpaint some strokes if you feel that they are not bright enough, like you see in my video. About the question, why do I for what I'm doing these videos, you know, I just want to share with you my advice, my experience, and I think that it will be important for some people, but I don't know why some people who watch my channel, they tell negative comments and write negative things. They just don't understand why these videos are so important for nail technicians all over the world. And honestly, if I have a chance in my career, at the beginning of my career, to watch these videos, it would be the great for me to have a chance to see that. And I think that it would be good experience for you, and it would help you to improve your skills and improve your knowledge in this career. So let's check out the result. Light beige color, pinkish, that's amazing. And I just want to give you the new tip, how to create amazing, very very accurate and neat. As you can see, I applied very thin layer of top coat. I cured in an UV lamp about 1 minute, and right now, right on the tacky layer, I'm drawing the smile line, and we will apply nail by nail. So we have drawn thin smile line, and we covered the free edge of white gel paint. After curing in 1 minute, we can repeat that, and for sure your French manicure will be perfect, and the smile line will be fantastic. And as you can see on the result, it seems like the real sculpted French. So let's watch how to apply long square shaped nails. As you can see now, we have already removed the gel from the nail plate, and after sculpting them, uh, we have filed nails from the downside, and um now we can see that we can shape them from each side. And the main thing that you should shape nails like the tube. In my next videos I will make the detailed tutorial of shaping square form nails. And you should know, guys, that this one is the most difficult shape of nails in the world, and world competitions use this form to use this shape of nail to check out your knowledge and your skills. So this is the main thing. There are a lot of things that we can check of the nail master work, how you apply this shape of nail. And now I'm showing you hardware manicure, and I just want to tell you guys that I have a problem now. I made this special tutorial of drawing amazing nail design with new techniques, but I suddenly removed all videos, but I just have a beginning that you can see now, and I have the final demonstration of nails. Okay, if you want to to see how I applied this nail design, please ask me in comments, and I'll be making this special video for you where I repeat these beautiful nails. So I think that these nails are fantastic. They're shining. They look amazing, and I'm in love with this nail design. But it's bad that I delete the tutorial how I made these amazing flowers. I used only gel paints. If you like this design, don't forget to click like button. Have a nice day!